potato, and kale soup. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanelquann show. Happy Sunday!
Tee up. Yeah. So you know what today is? Special Sunday. So y'all know we special surprise. Hey, same difference. SS. And we got our nice looking orange soda on.
Orange soda?
Yeah, orange Fanta.
Yeah.
Looking like a sweet potato over here.
Sweet potato?
So what's today?
So today we're gonna be making curry, sweet potato, and kale soup.
That bitch sound like it's Bussiano. Nah, I said so we gonna do this thing. So what's the first step for this thing? Yeah.
You're gonna turn your oven on with your stove. Turn your stove on to medium heat. Stock pot.
Stock pot.
You're gonna add in your oil. You're gonna add in your oil and let that heat.
They ain't hear you. I was talking.
Add in the oil and let it heat up.
Oh, and let it heat up. My bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. That thing, it's already smelling good.
The oil.
And we didn't put nothing in it. Oh, you good, guys?
Damn.
Yeah, I couldn't even help you, man.
My face was all up in it.
You still got some pop in that.
Oh, yeah. You put some popcorn? Oh. Because it's water in there.
The water.
Whoa!
So what's going on, man?
It's water in there.
So we're gonna take it off? Damn, that ain't funny, bro. That thing was getting.
Oh,
bro, back up, bro. Back up.
I forgot there's water in there.
Oh my goodness gracious.
At least that. Here you go, add it.
Nah, we ain't gonna add nothing right now. We finna get this taken care of and we'll be right back. We're back.
Okay, so once the oil is nice and heated up, looks like it, go ahead and add in your onions and your ginger and let that saute for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Let's get it. That thing looking good, gang. That thing looking good. It is. Smell good, though. Smells scrumptious.
Let that cook.
Smells scrumptious. So we do our thing for how long?
3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. Hey, 3 or 4 minutes, then we right back in it. We be up in onions and cooking in the kitchen. Put it in the pot. Let that thing sizzle. Then we finna go to the off the hizzle. My nizzle. Faux shizzle. Eating on a bizzle. I don't know what that is.
Not this.
Go ahead.
Nope.
No good. I think it's the not the onion, but the what's the name?
The ginger.
Yeah, the ginger is giving it
Turn
that.
my muffin pot. Turn my pot. Of the brand new pot. Turn my pot black.
Turn it black. You too hope for the beat me.
Alright, so that is good and sauteed. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in.
How you know it's good?
It's got a nice color to it. Go ahead and add in your sweet potatoes, your curry paste, your garlic, your turmeric, and your salt.
Get it. Let go.
saute for 3 minutes.
Let that thing saute for 3 minutes.
Saute? What you say, saute?
Huh? Gotta let that thing cook, man. Gotta let that thing cook, man. Don't need no hook, man. You gotta tell them that we smarter than the book, man. I'm as good as you look, man. Now I'm right back with it. Boy, I'm hotter than the skillet. Okay, man, come on.
Alright, so now that that's good and sauteed, you're gonna go ahead and add in your water and your coconut cream.
Let go.
Turn your heat down to a simmer, and then how long you gonna simmer it for?
Simmer for 15 minutes.
Alright, you guys, so it's been about 15 minutes, so now we're gonna go ahead and add in the nectar and let it simmer for
15 minutes.
No.
Huh? What?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, y'all.
Now we're going to add in our kale and corn and then let that sit for 5 more minutes.
Let it sit for 5.
Off the heat though.
Off the heat. Off the heat?
Yeah. Turn off the heat.
Biggity back.
Done.
Y'all.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and plate these bad boys.
Play that thing. Play that thing.
Oh, and I forgot, you can also serve it with rice, which is what we're gonna do. Just to give y'all some options, you know what I'm saying? Or you can just eat it plain regular.
Eat it plain and regular. Part the dryer. The dryer.
Ta-da! So this is what it's looking like, you guys.
Pressure.
Served over rice.
That big pressure.
So now, go ahead. Do what you do, baby.
What I do is what I do is what I do is what I do. We be coming through with some of the best food. Can't nobody out there do just what we do. So they might as well quit in the right boo. Yeah. And we out this bit, man. It's the D.Chanelquann show, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button in that bit. Don't forget to hit that like up in that bit. And last but not least, join in that comment section. You dig? And we out. Let's get in this bit, cause you know it's that pressure. You know it's that pressure.
Get a little bit of everything. You feel me, cute? A little bit of everything.
Hell yeah, gang.
Oh. You hot? You hot? You hot?
That thing pressure, gang. Man, we really be effing it up, gang. We be effing it up, man. That bit pressure. On my soul, that bit pressure. Dead. Oh, never gonna take that bitch off.
Oh, God, we didn't be using it.
I'm just playing. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.